Hey everyone, in this video we'll show you how to hide the cash on delivery option for international orders in Shopify. We'll also cover how to hide COD for specific countries using the KlinKode PayRules app. Head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to the KlinKode PayRules app. Click the Add a New Rule button on the All Rules page. Give your rule a descriptive name for internal reference only. From the Select Payment Methods drop-down, choose the Cash on Delivery option. Now skip all other sections and scroll down to the Country section. In the Countries field, select the country or countries where you want to hide cash on delivery. This will remove the Cash on Delivery option during checkout for those specific countries. If you want to hide cash on delivery internationally except your own country or few selected countries, choose the Hide If Not Found option. This ensures cash on delivery is only available for your chosen countries. To see the country restriction working, you might need to add a postal zip code in the shipping field during checkout. Shopify's API might not always trigger the payment method hiding function without it. Remember, also Shopify requires a postal code before allowing customers to proceed to the payment button. For example, now we will create a rule to hide cash on delivery for all orders from USA. Now let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the shipping address contains USA as the country and cash on delivery is showing. Now, since we created the rule already, and if we refresh this checkout page, the cash on delivery should be hidden. As expected, cash on delivery is gone for USA orders. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively control where the Cash on Delivery option appears in your Shopify store.